So KlingAI is publicly released and it's open to use for everyone. And the best part is that this is totally free at this moment. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. All right, so this is the web version. And you guys can see this is the URL klingai.com. You will find this URL in the description below. And this is the web interface. So you guys can see we have a couple of different options like AI images, AI videos, and their video editor is also coming soon. And these are some of the example videos generated by the community. So we have a built-in AI image generator and also the AI video generator, but the main focus is going to be the AI video generator. So click on that and you will have this interface in front of you. All right, so we have the text to video and image to video. And on the first sign up, you will get free credits and these credits will expire after hours. That means you will get free credits on a daily basis, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let's try its text video first. So here you guys can see we have the prompt section. A 3-year-old child falls into a gorilla enclosure, causing panic as the crowd screams for help. The gorilla approaches slowly, heightening tension and fear in the child's eyes and the onlookers' faces. Now let's check the video generated. I also added a screaming crowd sound effect to make it real. I used freesound.org. You will find the link in the description as well. A panda wearing sunglasses playing guitar on the edge of a river. And this time, I would like to go with higher creativity. And from the camera controls, I'm going to select the rolling effect. And let's see what it comes up with. Well, you can also control the intensity of the camera movement. Now this is something interesting. I really like this video on the first look. Yes, we have some issues with the glasses temples, and we have some issues with the hands. But overall, it's really appealing to the eyes. And if we look at the background, the water movement in the background, and also the sunshine, it looks very realistic. Now let's move on to the image to video model. So simply select the image to video, and we have a couple of options here. So just like Luma AI, we have the ending frame option, just like the keyframing option, but this is not available right now. So I'm going to use this image of a man reading a newspaper that I generated inside of Midjourney. So simply upload our image, and let's keep our prompt simple, like a man reading a newspaper, cinematic movie shot. And again, we have the creativity scale and negative prompt option. Now let's hit generate. All right, so this is the output video, and look at that. If you pay attention to the details, you guys can notice this man is actually breathing. And this is something that actually shows the abilities of this AI tool because it's not only adding the panning effect or the camera movement in it, but it's also adding life to the image. Now, if I compare this with Luma AI, you guys can see this is a very static video. You guys can see it just added a camera motion in it. But the real person, the actual person, the main subject in the video, looks very still. And if I compare this with KlingAI, you guys can see it's a clear winner. Well, I'm also planning to make a comparison video between Luma AI and KlingAI. So if you guys want that video, let me know in the comment section. Now let's try this image where the child is kind of paragliding. And in the prompt section, I'm going to type, "A child is paragliding." All right, so this is the output video. And you guys can see it really looks like the child is paragliding. It added very natural movements in it, like this child is going up and down. We don't have any morphing effect on the face. We don't have any transitions in the background. The video is very consistent and looks really good. So this was the first look at KlingAI. And right now we are only limited to 6 videos a day, which is not too much. But if you want to purchase their premium plan, you really cannot do that because they haven't even introduced their premium plans. But soon, they will be launching their premium plans, and if you want to purchase that, you will have that option. But right now, we are just limited to the 6 videos, and we can do nothing about that. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it for today. See you guys in the next one.